the AI revolution is slammed into hyperdrive. While the world argues about chatbots, trillions of dollars are flooding into the real battlefield, the hidden infrastructure of intelligence. Hyperscalers are unleashing over $700 billion in AI capital expenditures this year alone. The winners won't be the loudest voices. They will be the companies that control attention at scale, deliver the raw compute power, and own the intelligent economic rails underneath it all. Today, we break down the data, the balance sheets, and the 3 specific stocks poised to be the next legendary performers in your portfolio. First on the list is Meta Platforms, ticker Meta, a company that has transformed itself into the ultimate AI advertising and consumer intelligence machine. While the market obsesses over frontier model developers, Meta has been relentlessly building one of the most powerful flywheels in technology history. In Q1 2026, Meta delivered a blockbuster performance with revenue surging 33% year-over-year to $56.3 billion, its strongest growth in nearly 5 years. Net income jumped 61% to $26.8 billion, with operating income reaching $22.9 billion. The core of the business model is simple but unstoppable. AI-powered recommendation systems, ad targeting, and content optimization are driving higher engagement, better ad performance, stronger pricing power, and premium monetization across Facebook, Instagram, Reels, and its entire family of apps reaching billions of daily active users. Meta is going all in on the future with unmatched conviction. The company raised its 2026 capital expenditure guidance to a massive $125 to $145 billion, up from the previous $115 to $135 billion range, citing higher component costs and accelerated data center builds for advanced AI infrastructure, Llama models, and its ambitious push toward personal superintelligence. This aggressive investment isn't a distraction. It's fuel for long-term dominance in consumer AI. Management sees these moves translating directly into sustained high teens to low 20s revenue growth and significant earnings expansion for years to come. For investors looking for a high-conviction AI leverage play tied to real consumer revenue today, not just speculative model training, Meta stands in a league of its own. They aren't just spending on AI. They are monetizing it through the world's largest digital advertising platform while building the next-generation intelligence layer. Building on that foundation of AI-driven attention and monetization, we transition to our second stock, Amazon, ticker Amazon, a company that is fundamentally redefining cloud computing and commerce in the AI era. While others talk about potential, Amazon is executing and shipping AI at industrial scale with results that speak for themselves. In Q1 2026, Amazon reported total revenue of $181.5 billion, up 17% year-over-year. The standout performer was AWS, which exploded 28% to $37.6 billion. Its fastest growth in nearly 4 years and now operating at a $150 billion annualized run rate. AWS is the specialized high-performance environment where the world's leading AI models train, run, and scale. Amazon is sitting on an enormous $364 billion AWS backlog, remaining performance obligations, a massive jump that provides years of revenue visibility the market is still underappreciating. This isn't speculative growth. It's anchored by landmark multi-billion-dollar deals with OpenAI, including a $100+ billion expansion, Anthropic, and enterprises worldwide. The company is aggressively investing nearly $200 billion in capex this year, with Q1 spending alone exceeding $43 billion, focused on AI infrastructure, custom chips like Trainium and Graviton, gigawatt-scale data centers, and solving the compute scarcity bottleneck. Management highlights that AI-related revenue is already surpassing $15 billion and accelerating rapidly, while the core e-commerce and advertising businesses continue to strengthen through AI-driven optimizations and recommendations, logistics, seller tools, and customer experiences. Analysts project continued acceleration, resilient margins, and outsized returns as AWS monetizes its sold-out capacity. Amazon isn't just participating in the AI economy. It is building and powering large parts of the physical and cloud foundation of the entire ecosystem. This leads us naturally to the final and perhaps most critical piece of the puzzle, Mastercard, ticker MA. Because even the most advanced AI models, powerful clouds, and dominant advertising platforms ultimately need secure, efficient, and intelligent rails to turn intelligence into real economic value transactions and commerce at scale. While the market obsesses over chips and data centers, it is underpricing the indispensable toll collector on the exploding AI-driven digital commerce wave. Mastercard delivered outstanding Q1 2026 results, with net revenue up 16%, 12% currency neutral, to $8.4 billion, beating estimates. Adjusted EPS surged 23%, 18% on a reported basis, to $4.60, also ahead of consensus. Gross dollar volume reached $2.7 trillion, with cross-border transactions growing solidly at around 13% in value-added services, heavily enhanced by AI for fraud detection, security, data insights, personalized marketing, and decisioning tools, growing even faster at around 18 to 22%. These high-margin services now represent nearly 40% of overall revenue and continue to expand. Mastercard operates in a structural supercycle fueled by AI agents, autonomous transactions, the explosion of digital payments, and the global shift toward cashless economies. The company's unmatched network effects, global scale, relentless innovation in AI-powered solutions, and pricing power create an almost unassailable moat. Management continues aggressive share buybacks, over $4 billion in the quarter plus additional acceleration, while guiding for sustained low to mid-teens revenue growth with strong profitability and margin expansion. The financial trajectory here is exceptional, with analysts maintaining highly bullish targets often in the $650 to $735 range. Mastercard has evolved into a true infrastructure franchise with software-like visibility, predictability, and recurring revenue characteristics. In the race to monetize the AI future, Mastercard doesn't just facilitate payments. It owns the intelligent economic grid that powers the entire ecosystem. These three stocks, Meta Platforms, Amazon, and Mastercard, represent the indispensable layers of the AI economy. Attention and monetization at unprecedented scale, world-class compute infrastructure with enormous contracted backlogs, and the secure, intelligent flow of global transactions and value. With record recent performance, massive ongoing investments, deepening AI capabilities, expanding backlogs, hyperscaler partnerships, and clear multi-year earnings momentum, they offer investors a powerful, high-conviction way to capture the accelerating AI supercycle that is reshaping the global economy in 2026 and beyond. The data is clear. The execution is strong. The pipelines, backlogs, and catalysts are expanding rapidly. The AI revolution is not coming. It is here and gaining speed every single day. Position yourself now in these proven leaders before the next leg of gains fully reflects their dominance and the market wakes up to their exceptional positioning.